what I can do, guys? Mass of the another planet is 5/4 of the mass of the Earth. What is the mass of the Earth? Mass of the Earth is capital M. Then can you tell me what is the mass of the planet? Anybody? Some another planet. Mass of the planet is equals to how much, guys? 5/4 of mass of Earth. Very good. Next, what about the radius? Radius is how much? Radius of Earth is RE. Then what is the radius of the planet? Speak loudly, everyone. Radius of the planet
3/2 of the
3/2
Times
times of radius.
times of
Understand? So now they are asking what is the new weight. So let us simply will finish it. So it is very simple. It's not necessary to worry. Just we will replace the terms and we will do it. So shall we go to that page because here is no space. So here I will solve. Now you can notice it.
Sir, we need to take the same value for the mass as we did in the previous sum.
Mass where? Mass or not? Weight, Mari. Weight 900 on Earth. On Earth same. Prima. Clear? So weight on
Yes,
Earth is equals to how much? 900 Newton. Now they are asking weight on a planet, how much it is. When? All of you speak loudly. When? 5/4 of the mass of the Earth. Mass of the planet is 5/4 of the mass of the Earth. Next one. Radius of the planet is how much, guys? Everybody. 3/2 times of radius of Earth. So now, can you tell me what is the weight formula on Earth? Weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So what is G? M into, speak loudly, M into
capital
G
capital M divided by R square. Divided by R square. Yaar, any problem erga? Okay, Allah me clear. Which is equals to how much ra? Which is equals to how much? 900 Newton. Purima, equation number 1. Any problem? Clear, everybody?
How, sir?
Yes, sir.
That's what they have given, correct, Mari? Given question, Weight on Earth is equals to 900 Newton. Purima,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Before question, why I modified? Before question, they are asking density. That's why I replaced mass with the density formula. Understanding?
Yes.
Now only mass. So we don't need to go with that formula. Clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
So this is mass of the Earth and this is what, everybody? Radius of the Earth. Now, mass, weight on planet is equals to, what is the formula? Mass into acceleration due to gravity of planet. This is Earth, which is equals to mass into capital G into mass of the planet divided by radius of what? Radius of planet square. Now, I will replace it. We'll know that M into G into, what is the mass of the planet? Mass of the planet is how much, guys? 1/4 times of mass of Earth divided by, what is the radius of the planet?
3/2 of the
3/2 times of radius
Radius
of
of
the whole square.
So if you simplify it, you will get it. Agalya, are you there in the meeting or not? So G into,
Yes, sir.
yeah, but no response. 5/4 into mass of the Earth divided by, this is whole square, guys. Can you tell me the value? 3/2 RE whole square. So what will happen? 3 square.
9/4.
7/4
2 square 4 RE square. Any problem? Anybody? You can ask me. Clear, guys? Yes? Yes. Now you can see these fractions alone I will write separately. 5/4 divided by 9/4 into remaining things, tell me. Small m into capital G into mass of Earth divided by radius of Earth square. Will you all agree with me, everybody? Yes?
Sir, we can take it as F,
Yes,
sir.
I will take, wait, Mari. So 5/4 into reciprocal 4/9. So 4
5 by
cancel, which is equals to what, guys? 5/9
9.
into, directly I'm writing 5/9 into small m into capital G into mass of Earth divided by radius of Earth square. This is fully equals to something value. We have already studied.
force of Earth.
Force.
Yeah, what is that? Weight on Earth, which is equals how much?
900 newtons.
900 Newton.
100 Newton. Understand, guys? So 5/9 into 900. So 9 ones are 900s are. So what is the weight on another planet? Everybody?
500 newtons. Sir.
500.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, ask me. So weight on
Sir,
planet is equals to 1 minute, Mari. Weight on planet is equals to 500 Newton. What is the weight on Earth? Weight on Earth is equals to what? 900 Newton.
900 Newton.
So now, from this, I will ask you one question. Can you tell me in where G value is more? Weight on Earth or weight on this planet? G value.
8 on the Earth.
Yes, G value of Earth is greater than G value of planet because keep it in mind, weight is directly proportional to G. Okay, Nivedan? Very good. Clear, everybody? All of you understand, Amma?
sir,
Ask me, Mari. What is your question?
sir, M into G by R square is equal to 4, sir. Then why did you equate it with weight, sir?
Where, Mari?
Here you have taken it as 900, sir.
Mari, this
Man.
entire thing is what is that weight of the Earth? Correct? Check it here. Which is
Yes,
entire
sir.
thing is equals to weight of the Earth, which is equals to what? 900. That's what we want to replace it.
Okay, sir.
That's all it is. Do you understand, Amma? Girls, everybody? Sangamitrai, Abhirami, Alfin, Mr. Gokul.
Sir.
Tambi doing a Tambi,
Yes, sir.
Gokul? Yeah, please do it. Clear, everybody? Yeah. See, the questions are very, very intelligent. Mr. Sam, understand, Sam? Sanjay? Any questions you have doubt, you can ask. So please finish it, everybody. Now, I told you, weight on what is the gravitational force of Earth? Anybody can tell me what is the value? Gravitational force of Earth. Gravitational force of Earth, guys, 9.8 meter per
0.8 meter per
second.
second, sir.
What is the gravitational force of Moon, everybody? Moon is equal to how much? 1.63
1.63
meter per second square. Now, okay, if you see the relationship between them, gravitational force of Earth is equals to 6 times of gravitational force of Moon. Or gravitational force on Moon is equals to what, everybody?
1 by 6
Gravitational force on
1
Moon
by
is
4
equals
of
to
the
1 by
6
6 times of gravitational force of Earth. Am I right, everybody? Acceleration due to gravity. Everybody will all agree with me, girls? Yes. Same way, now you see that as it is, weight is directly proportional to G. Keep it in mind. Weight on Earth is equals to 6 times of weight on Moon. Please note it. We will solve this. I will teach you tomorrow's class ratios. And weight on Moon is equals to reverse. What will happen, Hasini? 1 by 6 times of weight on Earth. Okay, wa? Ellame. Clear, everybody? As it is, gravity and weight both are factors of 6 in the Earth and Moon. In Moon's gravity is 6 times less than the Earth gravity. Same way, weight on Moon is also 6 times less than the weight on Earth. Understand, everybody? Sir, why, sir? Because gravity and weight both are directly proportional or inversely proportional. Everybody, directly proportional to each other. Weight is equals to m into g. So mass of a body remains constant. Who will change, guys? Mass of a body remains constant. Who will always will change us? Everybody. G will change.
Gravitation.
That is why V is directly proportional to G. Mass of a body remains constant, but G is only changing. That is why G changes, weight also changes. Okay, wa? Ellame understood, ma? Girls? Any doubt, please kindly let me know. You have any kind of doubt, please let me know, or else you solve it. Very, very important. Nivedan, okay, Vara? Kishore?
Yes,
Yeah. Please solve.
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Mukesh solving now. Abraham, doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Next. So this is how you will calculate weight with the help of these things. Okay. Next question. Next question is like a realistic question, like we can say percentage based question, but gravity question it is. So at what height from the surface, you all can notice it. So the question is it completed this question, everyone? Yara, Sam Raja, Finished? Gokul, enjoying Gokul.
Finished, sir.
Yeah, do it. This is the question. Write it, everybody. Let me see how fast you people will solve. I want to know. Princy madam, solving a madam.
Yes, sir.
You must solve. Still, okay, you have done well in mid exam, I have seen, but still I am not happy. Okay, you have to work more.
Okay, sir.
See, physics always comes only through the practice. You cannot be normal, and it is coming years, it is going to be the toughest, you remember. Among all the subjects, maths, chemistry, whatever it is, XYZ, physics will be the always, it will like ultimatum it is. You all can experience the toughest thing if you are not performing, if you are not showing the interest in physics. You should love to solve the numericals. That's what is expecting always. Finish it fast, we'll proceed. Mr. Prithvi solving, write this question. At what height from the surface of the earth will the value of G will reduce by 64% from the value at the surface? How intelligent it will be question. Anybody can tell? It's very simple. On the surface, we all knows that what is the G value? Maximum, minimum. If you take earth, for example. Earth means G value is maximum or minimum at the surface. All of you.
Maximum.
Yeah. At the surface only G value will be maximum. Yesterday only I have taught you. If you go above from the surface also, G value decreases. If you go deep into the surface also, if you go inside the earth or above from the earth, G value keep on decreases or increases. Everybody. Yes, please. Decreases.
Decreases.
Only. Height or depth doesn't matter. D value decreases. Now they are asking. Let me imagine now. Mr. Kishore is started climbing, and he reaches to the some X height. We don't know. X height. By the time the gravitational force is 64% less or more. Yes, please. Reduce.
So, one doubt, sir.
Yes, tell me.
So, when the height increases from the Earth's surface, the gravity will also increases or decreases, sir.
Mari, that's what yesterday fully we studied. Only at the surface maximum. If we are going above from the surface also, G value decreases. If we are going into the surface also, G value decreases. That's what I'm saying yesterday and today also.
Yes.
Clear? Understand everybody? So now Mr. Kishore is climbed a certain height where the G value is reduced by how much percentage, guys? Everyone, speak loudly. 64%. Now they are asking calculate that height. Purima. So let us see now how to calculate it. It's very simple, very important. So if you notice it, at the surface, what is the G value? Everybody check it. At the surface, what is the G value? Speak Ra. At the surface,
G.
what is the G value? G. Purima. They are not, yeah, earth they are saying. Now I reach it to the certain height. Let me take Mr. Nivedan. Can I take at this height G value is GH? Is it okay? Ellame? Yes? Please respond. It is by the time how much it is? 64% of what? Surface. At the surface means G. So means 64 by 100 into G, which is equals to 2 table. 2 50s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are. Next 2 25s are. Yes? All of you? Yes. How much it is? 2 ones are, 2 6 are. So 16 by 25. 16 by 25. Clear everybody? 16 by 25 of G. So this is what actually it is what? 64% reduced, guys. So reduced means how to find? Can you tell me? Yes, please. 64% it is reduced. So anyway, anybody can give? Mathematics at least apply. It is not saying 64% of G. Yeah. That is what? What is the G value? It is reduced to 64. Total is 100. Now reduce it to 64. What is remaining percentage, Mari? Total is 100% at the surface. Understand the question? They are not saying that 64% of G. That is why I have solved this one. The basic mistake which we people will do is this one. If they will say, note it please, at the certain height where the G value is 64% of the surface, then this is the calculation you have to do it. But they are asking what? Everybody read the question. What they are asking, guys? What they are asking the question? Speak loudly. The value of G,
From the value.
we reduced by 64% from the value at the surface. So from the value at the surface is 100%. Purima, if I go to the certain height, it is reduced to 64. Means in the sense of how much is remaining, guys? Speak
36%.
36% means 36 by 100 into G. Am I right or wrong, everybody? Purima, ellame. Understand? That is very, very important. Okay, wa? So now you can see. So we all knows that. Can you tell me what is the formula at GH at the certain height? What is the formula, Mari? Lingesh, Kishore? Formula, please. I want formula, please. What is the formula at certain height? G into R square by R plus H whole square. Any problem for anybody? Clear? Let me take this is equation 1 and I will equate it. So 36 by 100 into G, which is equals to G into R square by R plus H whole square. Now both the sides GG will get cancelled. Where n changes or both the sides you are having a square. So I will make the squares. You can see. I'll modify this. 36 means is a square of what? 6 square.
6 square, sir.
100 is a square of 10 square, which is equals to R by R plus H whole square. I will write it. Now this also I can write 6 by 10 whole square, which is equals to R by R plus H whole square. Yaar doubt ask me. So can I get cancel both the sides square? Mr. Nivedan? Yes, please. Yes, everybody. That's all it is. So R by R plus H is equals to 6 by 10. Even the 6 by 10, I can reduce this to next level. What I can reduce, or else you can keep it like this only. So I will do the crisscross. So what I will get? R10 is equals to 6 times of R plus H. Any problem for anybody, you can ask. Now, R10 10R is equals to 6R plus 6H. So 6R will come this side. So 10R minus 6R is equals to 6H. So 6H is equals to 4R. H is equals to 4 times of R divided by 6. What is the radius of the earth? Anybody can tell? Radius of the earth. Radius of the earth. Waste. Radius of the earth. I am asking.
6.4.
ஐயோ ஹாரிபிள். கிலோமீட்டர் சொல்லுங்க. கிலோமீட்டர்ஸ் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. கிலோமீட்டர் சொல்லுங்க. All of you.
Sir, 63.
So 6 into 10 power 24.
Mari, radius of the earth, Mari. Yesterday also we solved. Radius of the earth பார்க்குறாங்க value. What is the radius of the earth? Radius of the earth is 6,400 kilometers. Am I right? Verify your notebooks. Yesterday we have done or not? Check it, everyone. Wells, radius of the earth. Sira. Correct, Sam? Ari? Check in our notebooks. That's what it is. Okay, wow. So H is equals to 4 into 6,400 divided by 6. So 6 table 64 varayama tambi. Okay, 2 table I'll get cancelled. 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Next 3 1s are. Now you can see 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 over. Okay, next one somewhere I can get cancelled or not coming. So it is not possible. So I will go through with normal. So normal calculation 64. So what will happen, everybody? 6400 into 2. What is that? 0, 0, 8 and 12. 12,800 divided by 3. So 12,000 rupees divided by 3, 4,000 approximately. So how much it will come? 12,800 divided by 3. 12,800 divided by 3, which is equals to how much answer? 4,266.666666 kilometers. So approximately above from the surface, around 4,267 kilometers, we will get the G value. Almost 64% it is reduced. That is what you have to remember. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. I hope you all understand. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here I have taught you two ways. You see here, if they will question, they will say, at a certain height, 64% of G. 64% of G. By the time, what is the G value? 16 by 25. Purima. Here question they are asking, we reduced by 64%. Means 100 minus 64. What is the remaining percentage? Everyone. It is 36%. Okay, wow. So be very careful with the words. They are not asking of. If they say 64% of G, then what is your answer? G value is how much at the side? 16 by 25 G. Ellame purimara? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please note it. Very, very important. Sangamitra is solving, madam. Alfin. I want to
Yes,
know.
sir.
Yeah. Please work. Abhirami clear? Anything doubt, ask me. Laksha, that Hasini, nothing doing Hasini. Are you solving? I'll check that classwork. I'll check the offline class soon. I'll check it. Have you solved? I hope everybody solved.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question. So last question for today's class. Make it right. This question, if you are having any problem, any doubt, you can ask me. But you must able to solve. That is what is my expectation. Unless you people solve, nothing is going to change in exam. Exam point of view and for your further future, everything is matters. That's what you have to work on. You have to solve. Okay. So now the next question is, who is that? Mute yourself. So the next question you write, all of you. I'll say you write. Calculate, right. Calculate the G value. Calculate the G when a person is moving. 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 When a person is moving 30 kilometers deep into the earth. 30 kilometers deep into the earth. How much? All of you? 30 kilometers
30.
deep into the earth. 30 kilometers deep into the earth. Laksha, half means 64% of G. That's all. So 64 by 100 into G, you will give the half. OF half. Half means percentage directly. If it is reduces means you have to subtract from 100. Okay, wa?
Okay.
That's all. So now what is the depth formula, guys? Everybody tell me what is the depth formula? They are asking GD at a given depth. What is the formula? G into 1 minus D divided by R. Whole square. Square. Yes, please. Not there. Am I right or wrong? Yes, that's all it is. So, if the from the surface of the earth, a person traveled how much depth? D is equals to how many kilometers? All of you. 30 kilometers. That's all it is. So, ZD is equals to G into 1 minus depth is 30 divided by radius of the earth is how much? Radius of the earth is how much, Ra? 6,400 kilometers.
6,000.
Yes. So now you can see G into 1. This is 6,400 minus 30 divided by 6,400. So G into 6,400 minus 30, how much, Ra? 6,370 divided by 6,400. So 0, 0 will get cancelled. G value is okay. 637 divided by 640. Solve it, everybody. 637 divided by 640. 640, which is equals to what? Everyone, 0.99. Okay, 53 will come approximately, which is equals to, we all knows that G value of earth is how much? 9.8. Okay, so it is earth. So 9.8 into 0.9953. So what will happen, everyone? Answer please. 9.8. So which is equals to what? 9.7540625 meter per second square. This is the G value at a 30 kilometers depth. 30 kilometers depth. See that very small variation because depth is very even. He digged inside very small or long distance. Very small distance. Agalya, can you able to solve, Agalya? Yes, all of you, please respond.
Sir, sir, the answer is 9.75394, sir.
Okay, whatever it is, Mari, you solve it. 1 or 2 digits, that's fine. No issues. Okay, wa?
Yes, sir.
Nivedan, clear? Agalya, I'm calling you over. So that's what it is out. Okay. Now I will give you one question. That question you have to solve and you have to send me answer individually how to answer. But this G value is not meter per second square. This G value is in centimeter per second square. So let me see how many of you will solve this question. Question also I won't send. I will show you display and you all can try and you have to answer to me. I want it. Okay. So this is the question MCQ. The value of G on the surface of the earth is 980 centimeter per second square. Its value at a height of 64 kilometers from the earth surface. From the earth surface. So H is almost smaller than radius. So you can take which formula? First formula, second formula. For elevation, for height, we have two formulas. Understanding? Formula 1 and Formula 2. So I can use now what formula? Formula 1 or Formula 2? It is almost negligible. It is height is just 64 kilometers. It is not even in hundreds. So I have to go with what formula? Everybody? Second formula. Clear? So solve it and you have to tell me the answer. Let me see who will say first. So this is what is our homework question. So go through the formulas which is suitable. I want exact answer. Perfectly solve and send me the photo. Not that simply sending. Photo I want it. Okay. Send me that. That's all. So with this I'll stop. Then tomorrow we'll continue with the pressure. That's what thrust and force. That's what thrust is actually a liquid pressure and all will come. That is very, very important concept for 11th class. Thrust and pressure. So we are going to start in from the tomorrow. Till here, any doubt, guys? Anybody, you can ask me. I hope you all are clear. Everybody? Yes, please. So solve this question and you have to tell me. Okay. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet in tomorrow's class.